Once you go through this process, it feels really good. It feels like a weight off your shoulders because it's one of those things that you can procrastinate on for years. But hiring Ellen took that away. And I also knew that anytime we had a question, we could reach out to her and she would be available, either her or her colleagues. So I can't recommend it enough. My name is Beth Goddard, and I live in Redwood City. I have 4 boys, and I've been married to my husband, Greg, for 20 years. For us, it's a second marriage. He came with 2 boys, and I came with 2 boys, and we each have a child with disabilities. I met Ellen before she started her Cookman Law. I heard her speak at a small workshop for parents and just really took to her. Ellen's really easy to talk to. What I really liked about working with Ellen is the structure of how it works, so that it takes away any of the fear or the confusion about what we're doing, because she tells us what to do now, what to do next, and then what to do after that. And if we met with her in person, but we also emailed and on the phone with her too, so she was very available. Well, knowing Ellen before she started, and then when she started, it was a really small firm, but I just felt very confident with her. Like I said, that she is available and that she recommended, and also we wanted my husband and I both to talk to her at the same time so that we could both be on the same page. And we got that together. So the 3 of us were able to meet and be on the same page. It's kind of the same. It's what is the expression? If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. So putting it off, it doesn't mean that it's going to be successful. It's putting that place into plan. And then the other thing that I'm learning too now, because we set this up, I think in 2011 or 13, and now we need to go back in as our children are aging and update all the information, update our trust, maybe have the beneficiaries, and update Robbie's special needs trust as well. And then from an organizational point of view, so I work at Kainos as well, and we're watching a lot of our residents age, and then their parents pass away. Kainos needs to fundraise to survive. And so being able to receive funds from a family's estate plan most immediately is going to keep us around. And we've been around for 54 years because of the good planning of families. So I've had a few other experiences, and I was so surprised that in the few other before Ellen was not getting a response at all, or getting a response, but really late. And so I'm not feeling like a priority, like that they need our business or want our business. There also isn't a lot of places that do what Ellen does, with the specialty of working with families with children with disabilities. The one that was responsive to us before we talked to Ellen didn't really know much about special needs trusts. They were kind of learning along with us as we were paying them. So that didn't feel very good. I really believe, and I know, Ellen cares about our community. She cares about our family. She's a mother, and she's a really dedicated. I see her speaking everywhere. To her, I think this is more than a business. It's really like her mission to help our families. So I feel 110% confident sharing her information. Not only does she follow up with the people that I refer, but then she follows up with me too to say thank you, which I'm grateful for. She doesn't have to, I would do it anyway, but I feel like she's really is such an important part of our community. Once you go through this process, it feels really good. It feels like a weight off your shoulders because it's one of those things that you can procrastinate on for years. But hiring Ellen took that away. And I also knew that anytime we had a question, we could reach out to her and she would be available, either her or her colleagues. So I can't recommend it enough. I have 4 children. We have 4 children. And so not only are we taking care of Robbie, who's my son with disabilities, but we're also taking care of our other children.
If this video is helpful for you, share it to someone else who might benefit from it.